Hey guys, Em here today. I get to show you a really fun new product that we're bringing out at Munimade. So these are diamond painting canvases, just like the ones that you know and love from us. However, you may notice that these are all black and white. So we've got a little dog, we've got a caterpillar, and we've got some boots, all with flowers. So these are designed by Sachin Sachdeva. He is a coloring book artist, so he's really good at this type of thing. And the reason why these are black and white is because they're meant for you guys to get to color with your own extra drills. So if you're anything like me, you hate things going to waste and you love putting a good use to leftover anything. And with diamond painting, a lot of times we have a lot of leftover drills, or maybe you've built up kind of a collection of specialty drills, you know, AB drills, crystals, glitter drills, anything like that that you just want to play with and try out. Or you just want to get into like doing your own sort of blending with the colors. Any of those reasons are totally valid and reasons why you guys will enjoy this really fun new thing that we're trying out. So these are Color Me canvases, and each one will come with its own bag of 310 drills. So don't worry, you will get all the black in order to do the outlines on these pictures, but then you guys will get to use your leftover drills, your specialty drills, anything you want to complete the images. So they're already prepped, there's glue, there's no symbols. So if I hold it up close here, the only symbols you're gonna see is the ones for the black outline. And then other than that, it is just blank canvas for you guys to play with and have fun. So that is so fun. They're actually gonna be sold in a set of 3. At the moment, we're not gonna sell these individually. They're gonna be sold in a set of 3. I'm still just trying to figure out exactly how I wanna do this. But this specific set will be sold all 3. So you will get one of each if you purchase this on this lovely Munimade Monday. Happy Monday. Happy Munimade Monday. And yeah, that's what we got for you. I'm gonna insert some pictures I have. So I had a really awesome helper test these out for me. But as you can see, this can end up being so completely different depending on who's doing it and what colors you use. So I think it would be really fun to host like some sort of event or something where people submit their take on these canvases. So yeah, these are only 30 by 30 centimeters. So they're really small and just the perfect size to really get in there and play and design your own image. So I really want to do more of these in the future, maybe from some of our other Munimade artists. But this is a good place to start. It's springtime. We've got these really fun images with flowers, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with them. I'm so excited. So these are available now if you're seeing this video and hearing my voice. They will come as a package of 3. Each one will get its own bag of 310 black drills, and you guys will get to use your own drills to fill in the rest. Each one will still come with its own tag, and they will come individually packaged, so you could purchase these and like share one with a friend, or have like a craft night with a friend and teach a friend to diamond paint. You know, the possibilities are endless. So yes, go support Sachin. He's awesome. He's got so much fun artwork, and it really works out perfectly for something like this since he is a coloring book artist. I hope you guys enjoy it. Available now at munimade.com. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm excited to see what you guys do. Don't forget to post in the Munimade Facebook group if you do get these and work on them. All right, guys. Have a wonderful crafty day, and me or Shay will see you next time. Bye.